Good morning. Coming to our next class. Today our maths class. See children, in exercise 4.5 third word problem. Okay, John pays 997 rupees towards his school fee every month. So every month school fee how much children? 997 rupees. Find the amount paid as fee for every year. Okay, every year he paid how much the amount totally. Only 1 month he gives the amount here. But totally 1 year how much the amount he paid the fees? Now we'll find out. So first you write here the amount of money John pays in 1 month. How much children? 997 rupees. Okay? Amount of money John pays in 1 month. Okay? Now we write number of years. He given only number of year. Okay? Number of years. He given only 1 year. Okay? But he given only monthly fees. But he given yearly find the amount. So first 1 year is converted into how many months? 1 year is equals to how many months children? 1 year have how many months? 12 months. 1 year is equals to 12 months. Okay. Now we find out total amount of money for 1 year. Total amount of fee for 1 year. Here also you write fees children. Amount of fees for 1 year is equals to 1 month he paid how much children? 997 rupees into 1 year means 12 months. So you write here 12. Now you do the calculation. Here multiplication you do children. 997 into 12 you do the multiplication. 2 sevens are 14. 2 nines are 18 plus 1 19. 2 nines are 18 plus 1 19. So first ones place is the completed multiplication, so put the 0. Now 1 sevens are 7. 1 nines are 9. 1 nines are 9. Add these numbers. 4, 9 keep in your mind. Take 7 fingers 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Double digit number 6 and 1. How many nines are there? 2 nines. 2 nines are 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So totally 11,964 rupees he paid for every year. So right here, therefore 11,964 rupees of the amount paid as fee for every year. As fee for every year. Okay children? First he given amount of fee John pays in 1 month 997 rupees. Number of years only 1 year. But 1 year is equals to how many months? 12 months. So he given monthly amount. But he asked yearly amount. So 1 year is converted into 12 months first. After total amount of fee for 1 year. You do the multiplication, become the answer is 11,964. So therefore 11,964 rupees amount paid as fee for every year. Okay children, note this question and answer in your notebooks and do this multiplication and A dozen means 12. Dozen bananas, dozen apples, dozen oranges. You know, children? Dozen means 12. 1 to 12. Okay? A dozen pencils are packed in a box. A box, how many pencils have, children? Dozen pencils. So, the type of 20 boxes. 20 boxes are packed in a carton. So, 20 boxes are packed in a carton. How many pencils are there in 75 cartons? So, total how many pencils are there in 75 cartons? Okay? Now you find out first. You write the some of the words, children. Number of pencils in a box. Number of pencils in a box. How many dozen? You write here 1 dozen. 1 dozen means 12. Okay, children? 1 dozen means 12. Okay? Now, how many boxes are there given? 20. So, you write here number of boxes. Number of boxes how many? 20. Okay, first number of pencils in a one box, 1 dozen, dozen means 12. Okay, how many boxes? 20 boxes. Okay, first you find out number of total number of pencils in 20 boxes. Okay, first you find out total number of pencils in 20 boxes. First you find out. Okay, so you do the multiplication 12 into 20. Okay, children, 12 into 20. 12 into 20, you do the multiplication 0 2 0, 0 1 0. First multiplication is completed once plus, so put the 0. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So 240. So total 20 boxes, how many pencils are there? 240 pencils. So here you write 240 pencils are there in 20 boxes. Okay, children. First you note this one. First you note this part and do the multiplication as a rough place. Okay, children, erase. Now first you find out only dozen pencils in 20 boxes. Okay, total how many pencils in 20 boxes? 240 pencils. We'll find out that. Now, you continuation, children, now. Pencils, children. Now first you find out, he asked how many pencils are. How many pencils are there in 75 cartons? So he said 20 boxes are packed in a one carton. 20 boxes are packed in a one carton. Say children. So number of boxes you write here. Number of boxes 20 and number of carton only one carton. Yes, children. Number of boxes 20. These 20 boxes are packed in only one carton. Okay. Now, how many pencils are there in 75 cartons? So 20 boxes in one carton. So 20 boxes have how many pencils, children? 245 pencils. So total 140. Okay, now we write here number of cartons 75. Now we find out total number of pencils in total number of pencils in 75 cartons. 240 into 75. You do the multiplication on your rough place, children. 240 into 75. 5 zeros 0, 5 fours are 20, 0 and 2. 5 twos are 12 plus 2, 14. 7, put the 1 plus 0. 7 zeros 0, 7 fours are 28, 8 and 2. 7 twos are 14 plus 2, 16. 0, 0. 4 plus 8, 12, 2 and 1. 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 1. So 1 lakh 18,200 becomes the answer is 18,200. So 18,200 pencils are packed in a, are there in 75 cartons. First he asked children only dozen pencils in a box. 20 boxes, like the 20 boxes are packed in only one carton. Okay, 20 boxes means how many pencils? You do that 240 pencils. You like that you do that before, children. Now he asks how many pencils are there in 75 cartons. Number of boxes, how many? 20. Total number of pencils in 20 boxes, how many, children? 240. Number of cartons, 75. So total number of pencils in 75 cartons. So total number of pencils in 20 boxes 240, children. That 240 into 75, you do that multiplication. 18,200 pencils are there in 75 cartons. Okay, children. Note this one also. Continuation, children. Before part, after you continue this part. Okay, and do